Everyone, I am a tourist from Thailand. So right now I am here in Shigar and in the garden. So
Hashopi Garden.
Achi Garden.
Hashopi Garden.
Hashopi Garden.
Garden.
Oh, okay. Here is very beautiful landscape. In the backside we can see the view of the mountain, and in the garden have so many flower. It's so colorful, very beautiful landscape, and so many like a fresh fruit like this. Oh, and very fresh and very organic and very delicious. Thank you. And I very welcome to all the tourists come here in Chica and this valley, and the way to like an adventure tour, natural tour to K2. And welcome.
It is have lot of organic fruits and the landscape and the mountains. The way of the K2, the route. This is Shigar Valley. So you can give the message to the tourists. Will come to here Shigar and Baltistan to enjoy their natural trip and natural activities and enjoy their trip here. You can give the in my country.
Okay.
And I can
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो देखने से पहले आप जीबी ट्रू न्यूज़ एचडी चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी आने वाली तमाम वीडियोज़ आप तक बर वक्त पहुंच सकें।